Welcome to this introduction to the MIM Release 12.1 MII Dispatching Priority equals Fox Health Check. My name is Bill Boyd and I work in MIM Software Engineering. This introduction includes an overview of the new MIM Dispatching Priority Health Check, a discussion of the prerequisites for implementing it, and a look at the medium severity exception notifications that it generates. We'll start with an overview of the new health check. During product initialization, this new health check detects when an MII Global Data Integrity Facility address space is not running with an optimal dispatching priority. Service providers, such as GDIF, should execute with a higher dispatching priority than service requesters. GDIF provides vital system services for ZOS address spaces and users. Therefore, it should run at a dispatching priority Fox to obtain the resources necessary to provide time-critical service. If the GDIF address space is not running at the recommended dispatching priority, degraded system performance can occur due to less than optimal NQ performance and throughput. Running GDIF at dispatching priority Fox is a MIM best practice. The health check executes once during product initialization and generates a MIM H1009 medium severity exception if GDIF is not running at dispatching priority Fox. When the health check determines that GDIF is running with an optimal dispatching priority, this MIM H1010 status successful notification will be generated. MIM provides two startup methodologies that ensure that the GDIF address space is started with dispatching priority Fox, the early start mechanism, and the address space creation utility. For more information on these startup methods, refer to the MIM installation guide. Let's look at the prerequisites necessary for implementation of this new health check. The only prerequisites for this new health check are that GDIF must be running at release 12.1 or higher, and PTF RO 82410 must have been applied to the current MIM load lib prior to the start or restart of the GDIF address space. Now let's look at some actual screenshots of its exception notifications. Here's an example of the dispatching priority equals Fox health check exception generated when GDIF is not started via the MIM address space creation utility or the MIM early start mechanism. This medium severity notification also provides specific instructions on how to implement the early start mechanism or the address space creation utility in the notifications Systems Programmer Response section. Here's an example of the dispatching priority success health check exception generated when GDIF is started via the MIM address space creation utility or the MIM early start mechanism. In this presentation, we've introduced the new MIM Release 12.1 Dispatching Priority equals Fox Health Check, discussed the prerequisites for its implementation, and reviewed the medium severity health check notifications that it generates. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about this product, connect with other users and share your own expertise, visit the mainframe community at the URL shown. This concludes training on the MIM Resource Sharing Release 12.1 MII Dispatching Priority equals Fox Health Check. For more information on MIM Health Checks and all things MIM, please visit wiki.ca.com and support.ca.com.